Photosynthesis is a vital process that plants use to produce their own food and oxygen. It involves the use of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, and is essential for life on Earth. Here's how photosynthesis functions, simplified and easily understood for kids. 1. Sunlight. Plants only can grow and thrive when they have sunlight. They take in this light and use it to produce energy. 2. Carbon dioxide. Contrary to belief, plants do not breathe in carbon dioxide from the air. Rather, they absorb carbon dioxide from the soil through tiny openings in their leaves. 3. Water. Roots serve as the foundation for the plant's growth. They absorb water from the soil and provide the plants with essential nutrients. 4. Chlorophyll. Green pigment found in the leaves. Chlorophyll helps to absorb sunlight. It is also responsible for capturing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. 5. Making food. Chlorophyll allows plants to converting sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into a sugar called glucose. Glucose acts as the plant's food, while they also create oxygen, which is released into the surrounding air. So, photosynthesis is essentially a recipe. With sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, plants can cook up their food and contribute to the air that we breathe. This essential process is crucial for life on our planet.